Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how to create a copy to clipboard function in JavaScript. So let's get started. First we'll create an input type text and ID of my input. So after this we'll create a button. So button, and I'll just name it copy text. Copy text. So now it's time for the JavaScript part. So we'll put the script tags. And now we'll create a function. So function, I'll just name it copy function. And now after this we'll create a variable. So variable, I'll just name it copy text. So equals to document dot get element by ID. And now you type in the ID you put here. So my input. After this we type in the name of the variable. So copy text dot select. Now after this document dot execCommand and type in copy over here. So copy. And now we go to this button and type on click and type in the name of this function. So copy function. And now if we save, and let's try this out. So we'll type in hello world copy text and let's paste it on notepad. So as you see it's working. And now if we type subscribe, let's click copy, and now if I paste it, it will be shown as what I typed in there. So thanks for watching and see you guys next time. Bye.